Hey guys, today we are learning Life of the Party by Shawn Mendes. So I do a lot of research in this song and I found two ways to play this song. The original one by Shawn Mendes and another one. So the original one is on the second capo on the second fret and use E minor 7th chord like this, C9, G and this is 4, but instead of that we are learning the easy one. So you need a capo on the third fret and need a simple chord like E minor, C major, G major and G major. Now you need a strumming like this: down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So it will be, and you need to do the mute sound. Make a mute sound like, yeah, this one is clean sound, but you just need to touch, or you can use a palm muting technique like this. So this strumming is for intro and verse. And now for the chorus you need a G major chord, C major, E minor and C major. And now the strumming will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And you need a half strumming on two chords like G and C, then E minor and C. So we don't have to be ordinary. Make your best mistakes, 'cause we don't have the time for the sorry. So baby, be the life of the party. So that's one for chorus. Now for the bridge part you need an E minor chord, G major, C major and G, and the strumming will be same as verse. And for the intro you need to do a E string and G string, or maybe 6th string and the fourth and 6th string, no, third one and 6th string. So first you need to open string on the 6th and 4th string, third string. So it will be, then open 2 times on the third string, then third fret on the 5th string, then again open string of the 4th string. Now you need to put a third fret on the 6th string and play open string at the same time, 4th number string open and the 6th number string on the third fret same time like this. Now open string 2 times of the 4th string and open string 5th 1 time and open string 3rd 1 time. So it will be like this. So guys, that's all. Thanks for watching.